Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make elderberry tea from dried elderberries. Start by rinsing and inspecting berries, removing any stems or debris. Simmer berries gently in water for 15 to 20 minutes to extract flavor and beneficial compounds. Strain the tea through a fine mesh or cheesecloth, then sweeten with honey or lemon to taste. Store cooled tea in the fridge and use within a few days for best flavor and freshness. Begin by measuring 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried elderberries per cup of water and set aside any sweeteners. Place the berries and water in a non-reactive pot and bring to a gentle simmer, not a hard boil. Let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes while stirring occasionally, then remove from heat and let steep for 5 minutes to concentrate flavors. Strain carefully and adjust sweetness or acidity as desired before serving warm or cooled. When serving, sweeten the elderberry tea after it cools slightly to protect raw honey enzymes and maintain flavor balance. Brighten the cup with a squeeze of lemon or a slice of fresh ginger for added complexity and warmth. Serve hot for comfort or chilled over ice for a refreshing option. Leftovers keep well in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 3 days, and reheating gently preserves taste and benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.